On number two, as viewed from surface one, the Lowy coating must be behind the pattern. How does
Yep.
that work in terms of applying the Lowy coating to the float glass and when you would actually apply that pattern to number two?
Good question. So with both of these, you can have a Lowy coating on the second surface with a first surface pattern or a second surface pattern. With a second surface pattern, that in both cases, the pattern needs to be in front of the Lowy coating. So whichever glass fabricator you're working with, whether it's Viracon or somebody else, you have to make sure that that pattern is being put down on the glass, whether it's a silk screen or a digital print, heat treated, and then the Lowy coating goes on top of that. So when you put that glass up from the exterior, it reads pattern followed by Lowy coating.
Interesting.